Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for cutting-edge tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance memory with a product that's sure to make your PC fly. It's the CORSAIR VENGEANCE DDR5 RAM 32GB. Picture this. You're pushing your system to the limits, demanding the best performance. Well, DDR5 memory from CORSAIR is here to unlock even faster frequencies, greater capacities, and better performance than ever before. We're at the cutting edge of tech, folks. As CPUs become more powerful with more cores, you need memory that can keep up. DDR5 ensures your high-end CPU gets data quickly, enabling faster processing, rendering, and buffering. It's the need for speed, and DDR5 delivers. Overclockers, listen up. DDR5 comes with onboard voltage regulation, making overclocking smoother and more stable than ever. Thanks to CORSAIR IQ software, you have more control than ever before. Want to fine-tune your RAM's performance? With CORSAIR VENGEANCE DDR5, you can create and save your own XMP profiles via IQ. Tailor your performance by app or task for maximum efficiency. The CORSAIR IQ software is your best friend for memory management. It provides real-time frequency readings, onboard voltage regulation, and easy customization of XMP profiles. You're in the driver's seat. Building a compact PC? No worries. The low-clearance design of DDR5 ensures wide compatibility with nearly any DDR5 build. It's performance without compromise. For consistent high-frequency performance with aggressive timing options, each memory chip is hand-sorted and tightly screened. It's all about pushing the limits without compromise. Keep your memory cool and stylish with a solid aluminum heat spreader. It conducts heat away from your memory quickly while adding that refined VENGEANCE styling to your setup. Signal quality and stability are crucial for overclocking, and the high-performance PCB ensures just that. Get ready for superior overclocking capabilities. DDR5 is optimized for Intel motherboards, ensuring wide compatibility with the latest tech. You're in good hands with CORSAIR VENGEANCE DDR5. There you have it, folks. CORSAIR VENGEANCE DDR5 RAM 32GB, your ticket to high-performance memory. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or a tech enthusiast, this memory module will take your PC to the next level. If you found this review helpful and you're ready to supercharge your PC with DDR5, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep exploring the world of tech with us.